In this tutorial, we will see that how you can get unlimited hertz in Duolingo app for free in just few steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, open Duolingo and you can see here I have only 5 hertz. Now to make this 5 to unlimited, close it and open Google from here and simply search for school.duolingo. Search it. You will find here this official website of Duolingo. Open the first link. After opening it, click on that sign up and on right upper side you will find here this login button. Make sure to log in with the same account that you are using in your app. I will sign in with my Google account because my app has also the same account. After signing in, it will show you this dashboard here. Create your first classroom. You can type any of the name here. So I will type here like this and click on that continue, where it will take you to this next page. Firstly, you have to select what language is in classroom learning. Open this and select. I will select this German. You can select that you want and then select what language should we use for Duolingo, instructions and notifications. I remain as it is. Click continue. Then I will swipe it and click other and select go to classroom. You will see here you created German one. Got it. And that's it. Now close this and open up your Duolingo app. Here it is. If you refresh it, you'll find here this unlimited infinity hertz. If I click on that, you will see here you have unlimited hertz. So that's how you can get unlimited hertz in Duolingo app in just few easy steps.